Let me apologize ahead of time for the low quality video. I'm going to show you how to use your smart TV as a third display. Currently I have a dedicated laptop, and over here I have another screen, and that's my smart TV over there. If your smart TV is capable of doing wireless display or screen sharing or screen casting, whatever they call it, on your TV, then you can do it. Obviously your laptop has to be able to do that also. Right click on the screen, go to personalize or display setting, same thing, it's right there. And then go to left click on connect. Let's zoom in a little bit. And if your TV is capable, it should pop up. Chromecast also works, or many other streaming boxes. Left click on connect, and you can see it's connected over there. Let's put up 3 browsers. Right now I have it set to extend these displays, which I think is the most useful for my purposes. So you can have 3 different things on 3 different screens. So let's try a browser. Go to, I don't know, F1 here. Let's go to MSN here. Then we'll go to Fox News here just to keep it even, I guess. We have MSN on that side. And then we have Fox News over there. Just drag it over. So there we have Fox News on one browser. You can just drag it over. Right? This screen, we have another browser. And then we have F1 over here. This is very, very useful if you're doing editing or you need just more screen real estate. Okay.